Subscribe to us as you leave a positive review on iTunes.
Check us out on Facebook.
Hi guys, your girl Lena Sanders from 101.9 Interstate Live Radio. Give you the news you can use while you're cruising down the interstate. Now let me tell you a little bit about Anchor. If you haven't heard about Anchor, it's the easiest way to make a podcast. Let me explain. It's free. There's creation tools that allow you to create and edit your podcast right from your phone or computer. Anchor will distribute your podcasts for you so you can be heard on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and many, many more. You can make money from your podcast. I don't think you heard me. You can make money from your podcast with no minimum listenership. It's everything you need to make a podcast in one place. Now just go download the free Anchor app or go to anchor.fm to get started. Right here, go ahead and get started with your girl, Lena Sanders, on 101.9 Interstate Live Radio.
You're tuned in to 101.9 Interstate Live Radio, giving you the news you can use while you cruise. Down the interstate, down the interstate, down the interstate, down the interstate.
You tuned to Interstate Live right here with your girl, Lena Sanders, on 101.9, giving you the hits and so much more, giving you the news that you can use while you're cruising down the interstate. I'm on live with my boy, who?
Mr. Will Walker.
That's right. We are live today, giving you some news that you can use while you're cruising down the interstate. But I want you to also follow us on all of our social networks at Interstate Live. That's also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we have some great topics today to talk about. Will, tell me some of those topics that we can talk about today. What's going on?
Well, we're going to talk about Nicki Minaj. We're going to talk about Lil Wendy Williams. Throw a little Diddy in there. Terry Crews and Gabrielle Union are having a little spat. And we might have to end with the situation with Lonnie Love facing black men. Which... that's going to be a long-winded subject. So we can go into the hot topic first of the day.
Okay.
And we're going to definitely come back a little later and do a separate show, giving you a few very intense details about, of course, the topic of the week, which is the swift and untimely passing of Kobe Bryant. Anyone who does not know who Kobe Bryant is, he is a 20-year veteran of the NBA, a retired NBA player, NBA star, and a future Hall of Famer who has passed at the age of 41 in a untimely helicopter crash in California while leaving his facility, taking his daughter and teammates and friends to an event or a practice of some sort. We will give you all the details and even more as they uncover, but we'll talk about hot topics in this segment and give you a little bit of stuff that you might have missed out on the messy scene.
So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Stay locked. We're going to pause for the cause. We'll be right back. You're still live with Elena Sanders.
Your number one hit station in town.
This is your girl, Elena Sanders, with 101.9 Interstate Live Radio, giving you the news you can use while you're cruising down the interstate. And I want to share some information with you to let you know that Interstate Live Radio is on 19 plus networks. That's including iTunes, Google, Spotify, iHeartRadio, Breaker, Amazon, and many, many more. Tune in. You want to make sure you stay tuned in to us as we are giving you the news you can use while you're cruising, as well as some valuable information with great interviews, authors, music producers, and so much more. Stay tuned. Stay locked. None other than 101.9 Interstate Live Radio. Back right here on Interstate Live Radio 101.9, giving you the news you can use while you cruise. I'm your girl, Lena Sanders, and And Will, I know we were talking before we went on break. We're going to talk about some of the topics that were out there about the Kobe Bryant situation. Give us a little bit of information about what happened on that, because that's like a huge topic right now.
Well, from what is being reported, Kobe was actually in his private helicopter, leaving home when there was a mechanical difficulty that ensued, and there was a mechanical failure in California, and Kobe, as well as 8 other people, met their demise in a helicopter in California. It's not unfrequent to see or to know that Kobe travels by private helicopter. He has his own helicopter, and him, as well as his daughter and some of her teammates and other friends, were headed to a practice, actually on behalf of his daughter, and the helicopter lost control at some point, and he passed. And this happened actually on Sunday.
This is a really, really sad situation. People on social media all over the world, the news has really been taken into this. It's really been a shocker for this. Our condolences here at Interstate Live Radio to his family, his wife especially. They just had a baby. She now is a single mother. That's not even something any woman wants to be, a single mother of 3. But I cannot empathize what she is going through. I have sympathy for it, but I cannot empathize because that is a very serious situation. I know at this time and day and age, she is married to a celebrity, a athlete, a professional athlete that sometimes the news doesn't have couth where they would give you that time to heal. I'm pretty sure they're trying to reach out to her to get her side or how she's feeling. So I hope she has some family that is with her at this time, her time of need, to be able to handle all of that for her and handle all the arrangements for her husband. Again, we here at Interstate Live really, really, our deepest sympathy for the family of Kobe Bryant, as well as the family of all of those that were on the helicopter as well. Because losing a loved one, especially at a time when you wasn't even expecting it, your family member leaving home healthy, vibrant, happy, and all of a sudden you get a call that your husband or daughter or wife, sister, brother is not here anymore. And from my understanding, Will, I don't know if this is confirmed or not, it was reported on the internet and the news before she even knew about it. I read something like that. I'm not sure if I haven't confirmed that, but they were saying that before she even got the call, it was reported on the media before she even knew. Did you hear that?
And that is not unfrequent, because when you have super connected news outlets like TMZ, shout out to TMZ. TMZ was the first one that I saw when we got the alert at Interstate Live. TMZ was the first one to report it. And of course, when TMZ put it out, I think I saw it again at Hollywood Unlocked. I don't trust anything that comes out. I love Hollywood Unlocked. I love TMZ. I love what's that? Hip Hop something World Hip Hop.
Yeah.
I love all of those publications. They are amazing publications. But when it comes down to hardcore trusted news, it doesn't really hit real to me until it's on CNN.
Right.
Or until so I was actually searching for the story and trying to get a full grasp of the story before I actually came out and said anything on the radio about it. I needed to get the details. I needed it to be confirmed. I needed to hear from California's news stations. I needed to know where it was coming from, and it turned out to be true. At the time that it happened, I was hoping that it was a hoax, because we have seen this hoax done before. They said that Tina Turner was dying, and and she was about to go. Oh Lord Jesus!
It's been so many people that they put out there has passed away, and we had to go find out. Snoops and all of that had to tell us this is a hoax. It's not true.
And I was hoping that this was another slur campaign gone wrong, and it was not. And it's unfortunate because because there's very few men that represent this level of excellence for the black community.
Right.
If anyone did not know, Kobe was so instrumental in his retirement. A lot of people have spoken against him, because he didn't, have a son that's doing it, but he was pushing his daughter who loved basketball.
Mm-hmm.
Usually it's a boy that follows in the steps of their dad, but his daughter loved basketball. He's really pushing it and was such a big supporter, avid supporter of female sports, female athleticism, female basketball. That kind of fatherly attachment, him and 4 kids, and as the story unfolded, all of the pictures that did not seem like they were a big deal at the time starting to resurface after his passing, of him kissing his daughter and him sitting at the basketball game just one-on-one hanging out with his kids and one-on-one rolling on the floor playing with his kids. And that level of fatherhood, that level of representation of black men and powerful black men in media saying, hey, I'm a father, I'm a dad, I love this. This is amazing. That representation is a big hit on black masculinity, on black fatherhood, black, it's a big hit and it's a big loss. He is affectionately known as the Black Mamba, which he actually called himself, by the way. He nicknamed himself Black Mamba. It's very rare that I'm without words, but I don't really have any words to describe really how I feel about it.
And the other thing we also found out, there has been surface of the actual incident on the internet. We come to find out that is a hoax. The helicopter scene that you're seeing on the internet, it says it's from a accident that was in Moscow. That is not the actual accident from Kobe Bryant's accident. What was stated was it was a lot of fog and they did not see. So the one that you're seeing that everybody's surfacing saying that's actually the one from Kobe Bryant, is not the actual accident it's not the actual footage of the crash. So let's stop sharing this footage, and whoever started that, shame on you, because it is not the actual footage of the incident, because you have family and friends who are on social media and they see this and they're actually like, wow. In their heads, they're thinking that's their family member inside this actual helicopter. So they're visualizing their family member crashing in this helicopter. And it's not even the actual accident. It's not even the crash. So let's stop sharing false information over the internet. Just because you see it on somebody's page doesn't mean you have to always share it.
And if you need something reputable, stick with the local news stations that are in California. Stick with CNN. Stick with Fox News is real sketchy. I don't really get into Fox News because they swing everything. So CNN is trusted. If you hear Don Lemon say it, it's true, it's researched, it's trusted.
Right.
So if you hear Interstate Live say it, I got to put us in there now.
Right, that's right.
If we say it on the radio, it's because I'm pulling it from reputable sources that can be tracked, and I always name my sources to make sure that people understand that this is not hearsay, this is not something we made up or we thinking. This is actually what happened. Speaking of sources, I want to bring light to the fact that not only did Kobe pass untimely, but there were 8 other people on that plane. We do not want to let the celebrityism and the whole celebrity of it overshadow these other amazing people who were on this helicopter with him.
Right.
And we don't like to say other people. We want to call them by their names. Kobe Bryant, of course, is who the story is about, but his daughter, Gianna Bryant, was also on the helicopter. John Altobelli, Kerry Altobelli, Alyssa Altobelli, the full family were on the flight with him. Christina Mouser, Sarah Chester, Peyton Chester, and Era Zobayan. Now, Era Zobayan was not only a passenger, but he was also the pilot. Our condolences and our love and everything that we have goes out to you and your families as well in this time,
That's right.
And nobody even mentioned him because Kobe is so big. Not to say that Kobe isn't a big superstar, but guess what? So was John Altobelli. So was Carrie Altobelli. So was Alyssa, a teenager. She was a superstar. She was just as much of a star as everyone on there, and our condolences go out to you as well.
So we're going to take a pause for the cause right here. You're still tuned into Interstate Live 101.9. Give you the news you can use while you're cruising down the interstate. Right here with your girl, Lena Sanders, and
I am Will Walker.
And we'll be right back.
Spread the word by leaving a rating and review on iTunes.